Today is about the wall and talking through everything that we have here at the space on offer. So, in terms of lighting, we have 2 flash heads and 1 video light. Both flash heads have video capability. They have a decent prop light, so they can be used for video as well. If you're not sure if it's going to be good enough, drop us a message and we can help you figure that out, basically. On a day like today, this is just natural light. Even with only half our windows, we have beautiful natural light, especially at the end of the day. So the wall, these are all of your light modifiers. So I actually call this the orb. I can never remember the real name for it, but yeah, I just call it the orb. Then we have our octo box where the diffuser comes off. There's silver inside, and we have a grid for it as well. Then we have our snoot. There is also a honeycomb for the front with filters as well. So I think I've got 3 different coloured filters that fit into that attachment too. Then we have our standard flash head. I actually have bulldog clips and magnets, which mean that you can attach your gels to it as well if you want to do gels. We then also have our barn doors. I have a grid for this as well. These are really fun to play with, but if you're trying to do like your little slither of light, which everyone loves at the minute, just bear in mind that you might want to book the studio in the summer or at night time, because there's so much natural light and you can't block it out. So we're not a blackout studio, you can't completely black this place out. You can block sections off a little bit, but there's always going to be natural light. We also have our beauty dish with grid. This comes off as well. Then we have our ring light. Now this is actually broken. This is actually broken here, so it can't stand on a stand. It's more for like a handheld situation to move around with it. Then we have our tripods. This is the arm for the C-stand. Then we have our pop-up reflectors, labelled so that you know what it is. I'm just going to show you. So inside the bag comes like this. Careful, I hate this part. So you have a white side, a gold side, nice sturdy handles, zip, silver side, it goes inside out, and also a black side for blocking light, and the bit in the middle is your diffuser, which you can just hold up to block light. And then to put it away, take each handle, twist away, she says, and it should just, like fold back in on itself. And then put it back in the bag. It's like a sleeping bag, it never really goes in the same way it comes out. Okay. The last item, it's a heavy one. The last item hanging on the wall is, now this is a backdrop. It says Kate on the front, it's from Kate's Backdrops. This is a pop-out backdrop for headshots. So I'll just show you what this looks like. It's similar to the pop-out reflector, but it's material. So I've actually got another one inside. So we have, whoa. So yeah, it's darker on one side and lighter on the top, but you can see the light. So it's blue one side, and then beige the other side. Gorgeous for headshots. I actually don't think I've shot on it yet. Probably not. And to get this away, you should just be able to fold and twist. How did you get that to be a circle? Oh no. She's done a thing. This is the same thing, yeah, but black and white. So that's the same as the pop-up background, black and white, so you've even got a hook on it, so you can hang it as well. Hang up too. So that's the wall.